As a trainer or coach, there's often times that you'll want to annotate your screen, and in this video I'm going to show you a really cool tool that I use, and it's called Markury. Now I've got it installed on this PC at the moment. It's this little icon here that you can probably just see just at the top, like a little pen icon. If I click on it, it expands this toolbar just down here. Now just to let you know, Markury also lives in your taskbar just next to the clock as well. So if you look down here, I've got this icon here that I can just right click on, and just down here I've got a number of different options that I can choose. So I can collapse the app, I can switch it to a horizontal layout, I can find the app, I can hide it away, go in some settings and exit it as well. So I've got this little toolbar here, and this basically hovers over anything that's on your screen. So at the moment I've got a website displayed, so if I want to just grab the freehand tool, I can very quickly start to annotate this screen just here, just by writing on some freehand things. Now you don't have to write text by freehand if you don't want to. There is a text tool that you can also use. So let me show you how that works. There we are. We can just type some text in just like that, and of course you can change the colors of things as well. So if I want to change and just highlight some text, for example, I can go up here and I can just highlight some text just at the top, as you can see in that different color. So yeah, loads of different tools that you've got. I've just used a couple, so I've just shown you the freehand one, the highlighter, and the text tool as well. You can also put shapes on. Let me just show you how to erase things. Actually, if you want to erase things, you can either use this eraser icon here and then just click on things one at a time just to erase them, or if you want to, you can use this icon here to clear all of the annotations all in one click. Now just back on here, there's some other things you can do. So let's choose the line tool, for example. This is for just drawing straight lines like that. I'll change color again. You can have rectangles, you can draw circles on things. So let me draw I don't know, a circle around all of that at the top. There we go. If you wanted to just clear that, you can have an ellipse as well. So that's more of a squashed circle type shape. Let me just undo that. You've got an undo button just here, look, very handy. And I'll just draw that shape again. We'll use the ellipse tool, just like that. And what I really like as well, I mean, this is just a website that I'm drawing on here, but let me just clear that away, and I'm going to bring in an application now. So for example, this is Adobe Premiere that I've got on coming on the screen right now. This is something I use a lot in my work, but also I teach this to people as well. And very often when I'm teaching Adobe Premiere, I like to divide this particular screen into quarters just like that, and I like to help users to understand that you've got this section number here, number 1. You've got this section here, number 2, this section here, number 3, and finally this section here, number 4. And of course, I could have used the text tool for that if I wanted to. Now, I really like how you can kind of go about and annotate screens very, very quickly. So, for example, if I'm talking about this project window in the bottom corner there, if I wanted to, I could just very quickly draw an arrow to draw attention to a particular file, for example, or I could just draw a rectangle around the whole thing just to draw attention to it, just like that, as you can see. Now there's some other buttons that I've not shown you on the toolbar just here. We've got a whiteboard icon here. So if you're in a situation, maybe in some one-to-one training or a group training setting, and you just want to flip up a whiteboard and just draw on a blank canvas, you can do that with this button here, and that turns your entire screen into a whiteboard. You can hover over that as well and actually turn it into a dark color or various different shades of white as well. And this is now a blank canvas that if I wanted to, I could just go ahead and draw on here as normal. Okay, so that's the whiteboard feature, very good. You've also got just down here as well a camera icon, and this allows you to take either a full screenshot or the screenshot of a region if you want to. So if you want to take a screenshot of the annotations that you've made, very easy to do that. Now let me just get rid of Adobe Premiere again, and now I'm going to go into I'm actually going to go into a slide presentation to show you how this works. Now, sometimes people ask, do you need the internet to use Markury? You do to activate the license, but once you've activated the license, then that's it. You can use it on your machine. It's just an application that you would launch from your desktop. There is a Mac and a Windows version, and when you've got the Pro license as well, you can install it on 2 devices. So you could have it on your desktop and a laptop as well. So if you're using this tool actually in a physical training event, you've got people sat in front of you and you're doing an offline presentation, it's very useful as well. For example, let me show you this tool, which is the laser pointer. It's this little icon here, and this turns your your mouse, sorry, into literally a laser pointer. So look how I can highlight on the screen here, and that just disappears after a short amount of time. I'm just going to make it a bit larger and yellow now. So there you go. You can see how you can underline things on the screen very, very easily. And if I was just to move this on, so if I was talking through this here, I would again be able to just highlight things as I'm talking about them here and draw people's attention to the points that I'm making at any one point. So yeah, that's the laser pointer that's really good for on-screen presentations as well as all the other things as well. So yeah, loads of different features are baked inside at Markury. Let me just take you back to their page as well, and if you're interested in getting this for yourself, do please leave a comment on this video, because there is a chance to get tools like this, lifetime access for free, and anybody that leaves a comment on this I'll give you some more details. But also have a look in the description of this video. I've put a link to Markury so you can get these good deals as well, and you can access that just underneath this video right now. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips like this as well. So screen annotation made simple is what Markury is all about. It allows you to draw, highlight and present directly on your screen. You can get a pro version. It allows you to draw on absolutely anything, whether that's a website, a document, a application that you're teaching, or whatever it is you want to mark up. It could be a training session, it could be one-to-one coaching, it could be group training that you can do, and that can be recorded, it can be live. Lots of different ways that you can use this. It's basically you launch the application on your desktop, you pick the tool, you can annotate anything and just continue working. So if you want to switch back to cursor mode, it's very easy to do that from within the app. There's everything you need in one place. There's drawing tools, freehand drawing, there's a highlighter tool, you've got shape tools, you can annotate text as well. Lots of different presentation features. I showed you the laser pointer, the whiteboard mode, how to take screenshots as well, and also the click-through mode as well. So it's very easy to click back to your normal cursor at any point you want to. Now you can customize Markury to fit exactly how you work. You can change the colors. You can also add keyboard shortcuts as well in the settings section. It's a flexible toolbar that you can move anywhere, and you can undo and redo your annotations as well. Very easy to just kind of move things about and undo things and just work on the fly, really. Now this is built for people who explain things, whether you're teaching a classroom, leading a meeting or recording a tutorial. Markury helps you communicate with clarity. It's for teachers and educators, presenters and speakers, traders and analysts, designers and reviewers that are wanting to give feedback. You can use it for remote teams, content creators, developers and so much more. There's a lot of reasons why I choose Markury, and I think you'll love it first. Now, there's a couple of deals. You can either get yearly access to this on a subscription basis. Keep your eye out as well for lifetime deals. That means that you pay once and you don't need to pay again. And as far as I'm concerned, Markury is now my digital pencil case. So why would you not buy yourself one of those? So that's Markury. It's screen annotation made simple. As I say, do leave a comment on this video for the chance to win free tools like this. Make sure you like and subscribe. It really does help. Check the link in the description for your copy of Markury, and I'll see you very soon.